In this video, I will show you hole milling. You can include circle mill or helix bore toolpaths with the drill cycles that FBM Drill generates for detected features. Adding circle mill or helix bore toolpaths to your FBM Drill operation lets Mastercam switch from drilling to milling when machining holes that are significantly larger than drills or require flat bottoms. To do this, select Parameters under FBM Drill Operation Number 1. From the Tree View list, choose Hole Milling. Enable the options to use hole milling for counterbores, through holes, and blind flat bottom holes as shown. Once those options have been selected, you can choose either the circle mill or helix bore. Ensure that circle mill is selected. Finally, ensure that the following values appear as shown: 50%, 25%. Once complete, select Circle Mill from the Tree View list. Change the parameters as shown. Your parameters should now appear as shown. I will take a brief moment to explain a few of these. Use Circle Mill Defaults uses default parameters for this setting, either from values in the FBM Generated Operations defaults file or from the tool definitions when this option is enabled. Percentage of tool diameter determines the maximum depth and number of cuts made in the FBM generated toolpath by multiplying the diameter of the tool by the diameter percentage you enter in this field. Long tool reduces the stress on long tools by using separate depth cuts or an XY step-over calculation for them. Long tools are defined by the length to diameter ratio you define in the LD field. You can now select the Features page. Take note of the 0.8 diameter holes. They do not have a tool defined to machine them as shown. That being said, choose the button Detect Features. Find the 0.8-inch diameter holes again. You will notice that the hole type has been changed to circle mill. You can now select the OK button to generate the toolpath. Also, pick the Regenerate All Dirty Operations icon found in the Operations Manager. When the Enter New NC Name dialog box appears, select the OK button. Your toolpath will look as shown.